Let's discuss it. Find the sum of those integers from 300 to 700 which are multiple of 3 as well as 7. Okay, multiple of 3 as well as 7. That means it needs to be multiple of both, right? 3 as well as 7 means that only, both. Okay, it's clear from the statement that it has to be multiple of 3 as well as 7, right? So basically we are finding, if you will have such question where you have to find multiple of 3 as well as 7, both are mandatory, then we will be thinking about, let's check the multiple of 21. Why? Because the LCM of 3 and 7 is 21, right? Suppose we are writing a number which is a multiple of 21. Let me write it and you will tell me whether it is a multiple of 3 or not, whether it is a multiple of 7 or not. So from 300 to 700, if we will divide 300 by 21. And what are we going to get? 21, 1 times 21, 90, 21, 4 times. 4, 1 times 4, 4, 2 times 8. We are getting 6. So in this 300, 6 is extra. Okay, in this 300, 6 extra is there. So 300 minus 6 is 294. This is the number which is just before 300 and is divisible by 21, which comes in the table of 21, right? Right? We need a number which is after 300. Okay, so we will be taking just the next number, 294, just the next to this, plus 294 plus 21 will be what? 315. This is the first number which is the multiple of 21. But we are thinking about the multiple of 3 as well as 7. So you can check it. This is a multiple of 3 because it is completely divisible by 3. It's a multiple of 3. Okay, and is it a multiple of 7? You can check it. 7 4 times 28, 29, 30, 31, 7 5 times 35. It's a multiple of 7 as well. Making sense? Yes, Rayan and Ritvika, making sense. 315 is the first number, which is a multiple of 3 as well as 7. How we got to know? By using the LCM.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, next will be at the gap of 21. Next will be at the gap of 21. Next will be at the gap of 21. We don't need all. We just need the last one before 700. So we can divide 700 by 21 to know which number is divisible by 21 completely just before 700. Okay, so 2, 4 times, no, 3 times 63, 9, 90, 2, 21, 4 times 84. The remainder is 6. So 700 minus 6, that is 694, right? We are having an AP where the common difference is 21. Okay. Now we just need to find the sum of all the terms. For finding sum of all the terms, okay, we need to use the sum formula. Sn is equals to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or the last term formula also you can use. But do we know n? No. So at first we need to find the number of terms over here, right? That nth term over here, or the last term over here, that is 694. And we want to find what is n. A plus n minus 1 into d. Common difference is 21. Is it making sense, Rayan and Ritvika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what we are trying to do, we are trying to find the sum of all the terms. Yeah, it
Yes,
says sum
ma'am.
of all the integers. 3 and 7 was confusing. Okay, it was quite confusing. That's 3 as well as 7. So whenever 3 and 7, 3 as well as 7 will be there, then you have to take the LCM. And this way you have to find the n. You can see part B is also there. Part B is also there. And the moment you will read part B, you will think that there is a misprinting and the same question is written over there. Is it that, or that is different question? Who will say part B is different question or the same question?
Same question.
Yes, Rayan, is it same? Ritvika, is it same?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It's not same. Part B is not same. Why?
Because it has already said that uh, we have to find uh, the sum of the multiples of 3 and 7 between 300 and 700.
Yeah. First complete part A, then I am explaining part B. Tell me what is n. Are you getting a whole number? What is n? Is it 20? Yeah. Where is the confusion? Wait, wait, wait. Wait. I had taken this one will be 7 minus 1, 6. This one will be 1. And then it's not going 9 times. Okay. What about we are we getting here decimal numbers? N as a decimal number? Yeah, I think so. We are getting decimal number. 694 minus 315, it's 379 divided by 21. We are getting not a whole number, we are getting a decimal number. That's why you are struggling, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Since we are talking about the number of term, okay, the result over here must come as an integer, okay, as a whole number. So yeah, we can check why it's coming decimal number or if the numbers are given properly or not. But yeah, this is how we will be finding n, and then we can find the sum of n terms over here. And that will be the answer for A. Here in A, one thing you should see carefully, that 3 as well as 7. Whenever we are having these type of question, that we are talking about the multiple of 3 as well as 7, then we will be okay taking the LCM, and then we will be just creating the AP by using the LCM. Okay. Now the next one where 3 or 7 is there, the next question where 3 or 7 is there, let me give you the hint. Yes, Ryan, you was talking about the same. And yeah, whatever you said, that's the thing we need to do over here. So when 3 or 7 is there, you need to find the multiple of, okay, if I will say that I need a pen, maybe a red or a black, that means if you will give me a red pen, I am okay. If you will give me a black pen, I'm okay with that. So that's the meaning of or. Or means either 3, okay, or 7, or both will work. Making sense? Right? Right, Rayan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, or means if you will give me red pen, I'm okay. If you will give me black pen, I'm okay. If you will give me both, yeah, I'm happier. Can you hear me?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
So we will take, I was talking about 3 or 7 means. 3 or 7 means either 3 or 7 or both. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So we
ma'am.
will be finding the multiple of 3, which you have already done. The sum of all the integer which are multiple of 3 lying in between 300 to 700. Separately, you will find the sum of all integers which are just the multiple of 3, lying in between 300 to 700. Separately, you will find the sum. Then you will find the sum of all the integers lying in between 300 to 700 and are multiple of 7. Separately, you will find the sum. Am I making sense? Sum of
Yes.
all integer which are multiple of 3. How it is? Sum of all integer which is multiple of 3. Okay, so multiple of 3 we will be finding. Suppose all integer which are multiple of 3, you are having a number answer. Sum of all integer multiple of 7 lying in between 300 to 700, you are having an answer over here. And sum of all integer which are multiple of 3 as well as 7, already part A is answer 21, okay, that you are having, and all of 3 you will add, then you will be getting the multiple of 3 or 7. Making sense? Again, I am repeating the same example. If I am telling you that if I want a red pen or maybe a black, if you will give me red pen, I am okay with that. If you will give me black pen, I am okay with that. If you will give me both, I will accept that. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting it, Ritvika?
Yes, ma'am, I'm getting it.
ओके तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले हमें वो सारे इंटीजर्स जो मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 है उनका समेशन निकाल लेना चाहिए। वो सारे इंटीजर्स जो मल्टीपल ऑफ 7 है उनका भी समेशन निकाल लेना चाहिए। और जो मल्टीपल ऑफ 7 और 3 दोनों के ही मल्टीपल है, कॉमन मल्टीपल्स है, जो हमारे पास सम पार्ट ए से निकल के आया है, वो सम भी हम इन दोनों के सम के साथ तीनों मिला के ऐड करेंगे तो हमें जो आंसर मिलेगा हम कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल पाएंगे ये जो आंसर है ना, ये जो आंसर है ये बता रहा है कि दिस इज द समेशन ऑफ all integers which are multiple of 3 or 7. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to try question number 8? Please try.
Ma'am, question 6.
Yes, question number 8. 8. Given the sum of 4th and 8th term of an AP is 22. And the ratio of its 4th to 7th term is this one. right? That means ratio of fourth term a plus n minus 1 into d, that is 3d. And ratio of, okay, 4 to 7 term, that means a plus n minus 1 into d, that is this one, right? Now we will take 5 to this side, we'll be having 5a plus 15d, that is equals to a plus 6d, right? What are we trying to do? Maybe we are trying to create a relation between a and b, a and d. Okay, 5a minus a is 4a, and 15d minus 60 is 9d, that is 0. We are just having this condition in our hand. Okay, the ratio which was given to us, from there we ended up getting something like this, and we will check whether we can use it or not. Making sense? Now, given the sum of fourth and eighth term of AP is 22. Okay, sum of fourth term and eighth term. That means, okay, the sum which I have written, it's not talking about that. It says that A4 plus A8, that is 22, right? Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it says that the sum of fourth term, not, okay, all the term added, the first four term added, that's not written. First four term added is not written over here. It's written that given the sum of fourth term and the eighth term, given the sum of fourth term and eighth term, that is given to us as a 22. Is it making sense? So fourth term will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
a plus 3d, and eighth term will be a plus 7d. Great. Equation number 1, equation number 2, and we just need to solve it to take out a and d. The moment we are having a and d, we will be able to write the AP, right? Right? Are you getting it, Ritvika and Ryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I thought this is complicated, but no, this is not. Clear? It doesn't say the first four term added together is this, or maybe the first eight term added together is this. It doesn't say that. It just say that fourth term and eighth term added together is this. So fourth term is A4, eighth term is A8. Okay, we got two equations. Now easily you will be able to solve them. Let's take another question. Can you tell me the answer for number 48? Straightforward question, very easy question. Please tell me.
Ma'am, the 48th one.
Yeah, 48. Are you done?
Ma'am, 5050.
5,000? Just a moment, let me check. Yeah, it will be 5,050. Yes, Rayan, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sum of first 100 natural number. Uh, have you used the sum formula of an AP? Or you have used this formula, n into n plus 1 by 2? Have you used AP formula or this one? Okay, you can use the sum of, okay, sum of n terms of an AP. That formula also you can use, or maybe you can use this formula. If you are seeing this formula which I have written on the screen for the very first time, then be clear that you may encounter this formula. Okay, this formula is given to us by mathematician Gauss. Keep it in your mind, Gauss, because once the name also came, and this name, these thing little bit is mentioned in your NCRT. Each and every terminology, each and every word by word is important from NCRT. So it's written in your NCRT as well, that at first someone asked from Gauss that what will be the sum of first 50 natural number. Okay, then he started doing the addition like this, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 dot 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 plus 50, and then he just reversed the sequence, and they said that I can also write the same thing as a 50, okay, plus 49 plus 48 plus 47, because it's addition, so reversing the order doesn't matter, the same as can be written as this one as well till 1. And the moment we will add this two equation, it will be 2s is equals to 51 plus this two added together, this two added together. So he has taken the pair. If you have attended AP class, you must have learned this thing, that 51 plus 51 plus 51 plus 51 started coming, and then how many times? Of course 50 times. 50 times 51 came, and that divided by 2 will be just s. And from here we got a formula that for finding the sum of n natural number, if we want to find the sum of first 20 natural number, we can use the formula n plus n times n. Okay, n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, n into n plus 1 by 2, where n is, okay, if you to find the sum of 1 to 20, then n is 20. If you want to find the sum of 1 to 100, then n is 100. So basically 100 into 100 plus 1 by 2. This formula also you can use. Yes, your answer is correct. You must have obtained it from sum of n terms of an AP. That is perfect. But why I am just telling you all the story, that in case in your MCQ, if you will encounter this type of formula, that for finding the sum of n natural number, the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. Please don't say it is incorrect. It is correct, given by Gauss. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 62. Try understanding it. Take your time and then I'll explain it. Let's take it. Just a moment. Are you understanding what the question says? A thief runs with uniform speed. A thief runs with uniform speed of 100 meter per minute. Okay, the thief is running with a uniform speed. That means the speed is not changing. And the speed is 100 meter per minute. What does this mean? 100 meter per minute means what? In 1 minute, the thief is covering 100 meter, right? Right? In 1 minute, the thief is covering 100 meter. So in the first minute, the thief has covered 100 meter. Next minute, the total distance covered by the thief will be this one. Next minute, this 3 is representing the next minute. The total distance covered by the thief will be from the beginning will be this one. Next minute, the total distance covered by the thief will be this one. Yes or no? Right? Right? Is it making sense, Ritvika and Ryan?
Yes.
Okay, he goes, okay, after 1 minute, a policeman runs after the thief to catch him. Okay, the thief is just keep on going and keep on going and just going and going and going and going. The thief is just moving. Okay, and we need to check. A policeman is running behind the thief, and the policeman is started after 1 minute. Okay, he goes with the speed of 100 meter per minute in the first minute. Okay, 100 meter per minute in the first minute. The first minute his speed, the policeman's speed is 100 meter per minute. Okay, and increases his speed by 10 meter per minute. Increases by 10 meter. So next will be 110. Next will be 120. Next will be 130. Just like that, right? Right? After how many minutes the policeman will catch the thief? So if you will see carefully what we have written the distances, which is creating an AP. Can you see that? In the first case, we are having one AP. In the second case, we are having an AP. And we are trying to find a certain place, a certain place, a certain place where both the distances, okay, both will be at same place. Yes or no? Or a nth term where A and AN will collide. That will be the place where the policeman will catch the thief. Yes or no? Is it making sense? Rayan and Ritvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here the let's read from the beginning. Here the question says that a thief runs with a uniform speed of 100 meter per minute. After, okay, so uniform speed means the speed is not changing. Okay, so in the first minute, total distance covered by the thief is 100 meter. Okay, next minute, the total distance covered by the thief is 200 meter. Next minute, the total distance covered by the thief is 100 meter. Okay, I mean, the total distance will be 100 more than the previous. That means 300, right? And the policeman is running behind the thief, and for the first time the policeman is taking the speed 100 meter per minute. In the first minute, you can see clearly here it is written, in the first minute the speed is 100 meter per minute, and then the speed is increasing by 10 meter per minute every succeeding minute. So the next minute 10 more, next minute 10 more, next minute 10 more, next minute 10 more, right? But just a minute. Here I am not taking the total distance. I must take the total distance covered by the policeman also. Yeah, it is increasing by 10. but I need to take the total distance covered by the policeman. Making sense to both of you?
Yes.
Okay, so it will be 110, but with the previous one 100, it will be 100 added with 110. That's how it will work. So 100 plus 110, that will be 110. Okay, then 110 plus 110. I mean, this is the total distance. We are writing the distance covered, total distance covered. Okay, next time his speed increases by 10 more. So 110 and then 10 more, it will be 120. Here we will add the 120 and we will be getting the total distance as 330. Is it making sense? Can you please check it? Is it an AP? 100, 210, 330. Is it an AP, Ryan? Please check it. It's not an AP, right? Just a moment, no? It's not coming out as a AP, right? Just a moment, no? When I was adding like this, it was not coming out as a AP. Is it an AP? 100, 220, 360? Yes, Ryan and Ritvika, please check it. 220 minus 100, 120. 360 minus 220. Still not coming AP. Just a second. Let me use 110 plus 100 will be 210. Then 210 plus 120 will be 330. Okay, if I will take a straightforward, the thief is covering 100 meter in the first minute, then 100 meter in the second minute, then 100 meter in the third minute, then 100 meter in the fourth minute. Okay, just like that. And the policeman is covering 100 meter in the first minute, starting 1 minute late. Okay, 110 meter in the next minute, 120 meter in the next minute. Yeah, this will work. Okay, rather than taking all together, just like the question we were doing, if we will take just the way it is given, the thief is covering 100 meter in the first minute, 100 in the second, 100 in the third, 100 in the fourth, 100 in the fifth, just like that. With the uniform speed, the thief is moving. And the policeman is covering, yes, policeman has started 1 minute late, okay, after 1 minute. And for the first minute he covered 100 meter, next minute he covered 110 meter, next minute he covered 120 meter, next minute he covered 130 meter, and next minute he covered 140 meter. These two are in AP, two different AP we can see. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, we are trying to say that we are trying to just say that sum of n terms over here and sum of n terms over here must be same. Okay, sum of few terms over here and sum of few terms over here, if that is same, then we can say the police is just, that is the place where the police is catching the thief. What is that n? Getting it? Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's compare the sum of n terms over here and the sum of n terms over there, and let's check, are we getting it? So sum of n terms over there and sum of n terms over here. What is the motto? Motto is to find that particular n. What is that place where both are, okay, both the sums are same. So n terms over there, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Let's put the value of a and all. I am talking about the first term, okay? The first AP, 2a, 2 into 100 plus n minus 1 into d. D common difference over there. Can you see what is the common difference in the first AP? 0, right? Right? And in the next AP, 100, okay, n by 2, 2a, that is 2 into 100 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 10. Let's quickly find n by 2. We can see n by 2 is just going. Okay. And here, what are we getting? 200.